Hello students, my name is Dr. Vivagna. I am teaching economics from last 20 years in different schools, colleges, universities. I have taught 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th and BBA, MBA, BCom and MA economics students in Dehradun. Today I will teach you very simple topic of class 12th, that is what are the causes of deficit demand. क्या क्या कारण है deficit demand के? What are the causes of deficit demand? Please write down causes of deficit demand. Causes of deficit demand. Number 1, फर्स्ट कारण है fall in level of consumption. Fall in level of consumption. Fall in level of consumption means fall in level of consumption means fall in level of consumption will lead to deficiency in will lead to deficiency. You can say will lead to deficiency in aggregate demand. Will lead to deficiency in aggregate demand means deficient demand की वजह से क्या होगा? there is a fall in level of consumption of goods and services will lead to deficiency in aggregate demand. Now student, second point means fall in investment expenditure. Fall in investment expenditure. If one do less investment, fall in investment expenditure will lead to fall in level of aggregate demand. Will lead to fall in level of aggregate demand. Now third point, that is means cut in government expenditure would result in cut in government expenditure. Cut in government expenditure. Government expenditure अगर कम करेगा वो उससे क्या होगा? will fall in aggregate demand. Means government do less expenditure, investment expenditure will be less, consumption expenditure will be less, then it lead to it is the main causes of deficit demand. It is main causes of the deficit demand. Now fourth point, 3 point I have already explained. Now students, fourth point means you can say rise in taxes by government. When there is a rise in taxes by government, when there is a rise in taxes by government, if the government will increase the taxes, fall in disposable income. Fall in disposable income with the people. Means fall in disposable income means when there is a fall in disposable income with the people, then what? Then due to which price of goods and services will increase. Price of rise in taxes by government, fall in disposable income with the people, and they will buy less and goods. They will buy less goods and services. They will buy less goods and services because due to increased tax. Now student, fifth point means fall in export demand. Fall in export demand. Export demand will be reduced. Now how the export demand will be reduced? Fall in export demand when demand for domestic goods in abroad fall due to when demand जब क्या होगी? डिमांड जो होगी when demand for domestic goods abroad, when demand for domestic goods abroad, when the demand for domestic goods abroad fall due to high domestic prices, when demand for domestic goods abroad fall due to high domestic prices, price. Okay, these are 5 points. Now come to the point 6 point. Six point में क्या, rise in import. So when there is a rise in import, what will happen? When the rise in import, when international prices are lower than domestic prices. When international prices are lower than domestic prices, when international prices are lower than domestic prices, then what will happen? Then there is a rise in import. By international, when there is international prices are lower than what, then import will be more. Now students, after this I will tell you effects. इससे होगा क्या क्या effects होगा? What are the effects of deficit demand? Number one effect of deficit में effect on output. Effect on output. Now effect on output means what? Fall in output of goods and services. Fall in output of goods and services. Goods and service का fall हो जाए. Fall in output of goods and services. Okay. Second point, fall in output of goods and second point means full production capacity will not be utilized. Full production capacity will not be utilized. Full production capacity will not be utilized. And third, there is a factors of production will remain underutilized. Factors of production will remain underutilized. Factors of production will remain underutilized. Okay, these are the effect on output. Second, effect on employment. Reduce the level of employment. Second point, reduce the level of income, output and employment. Income, output and employment. Number three means that is what? Depression in the economy of the country. Number three, depression in the economy of the country. Last point, students, what will happen? If there is a depression, then there is chances of gambling, dacoiting, etc. Dacoiting, etc. Gambling, dacoiting, etc. These are the effects of what? Excess demand. These are the main effects of deficit demand. These are the what? Effects of deficit demand means income, output and employment will be reduced. There is less production of goods and services. Gambling, dacoiting, all these things should be happen when aggregate demand is less than aggregate supply. So this we can say this is the worst condition of the country. This is the worst condition in the economy of the country. If there is a deficit demand, there is a fall in price of goods and services, which is not good for the producers. So producer have got what? Loss during this deficit demand. Producer have got loss. So this topic is very important. You must know what are the causes and you must know what are the causes and effects of deficit demand. This is very important topic for board examination and also for those who are preparing for Kendriya Vidyalaya, Navodaya Vidyalaya, Uttarakhand Public Service Commission, Navodaya and Bihar Public Service Commission, Madhya Pradesh Public Service Commission, and UP Public Service Commission. These types of questions will be asked, multiple choice questions they will ask in the examination, and they must know these are the basis to topic. What are the excess demand? what are the deficit demand and how can we do it. Thanks, Dr. Vibhavula.